Hi, good evening everyone. This is Khyati Rupani and today as promised we are going to be doing a cooking session. Yes, I have already shared the ingredients with a lot of you who follow us regularly. But for those who haven't prepared anything or do not have a kitchen presence or do not have time or did not have time, well, I think you could all see what's being prepared today and we can then get cracking in the kitchen tonight. Today's recipe is involved a dish called chilla. I had asked all of you to, instead of making anything fancy, just come up with a plain chilla. Now, for all of those who I had promised 2 recipes, this is going to be a 6 recipe session. Yes, all these recipes are low carbs. All these recipes are absolutely low fat and they are extremely tasty. This recipe is one of my favorites and I think I will have to just check the camera once. What happened? It is. It's all good. Okay? Both places all good. So I think I have checked the camera since they are not very close to me today and behind the scenes is my little Trisha. Well, today's recipes are recipes that are everybody's favorite at home. They can also be used by all of you to do a nice party. Yes, Saturday evening nice snacking is also something that you all should be very happy doing. Let's start with a recipe that is a very favorite of one and all, and that is a pizza. Yes, but this pizza is low carb. This pizza has excellent taste and this pizza does not need an oven. Yes. So the first recipe is going to be a pizza made out of a base of besan chilla. Yes. So this was besan chilla that I cooked. Can everyone see this? Yeah, Trishu, is it visible? Very nice. So besan chilla is made using besan. Yes, I have added jeera to this. I have added haldi. I have added namak, and I have made some pancakes out of this. Yes, the greens that you see are my favorites, which is coriander. Having put this on a plate, okay, now what I'm going to show you is a very beautifully laid out dish. We have tomatoes, we have, can you guess what this white thing is? It is not cheese. Can everybody see it? Yeah? Trisha, don't move the tripod, it's fine. Yeah? Is it okay now? Yes. So we have cabbage which is shredded, we have coriander, we have cucumber, tomato and a capsicum. This is my pizza which I love. We shall be starting by applying tomato paste to the pizza base. Tomato paste everyone can see? Excellent. So this is how I am going to get the pizza base ready. In fact, I have used besan chilla. But in case you want to use besan oats chilla, you want to make a chilla using moong dal, you want to make a chilla using ragi, you are more than welcome. Once we apply enough tomato paste also, a lot of tomato pastes are available in the market, but since they are packaged, I like mixing a little fresh tomato paste to a little bit of ketchup because pizza is supposed to be a little sweet. Here goes the base. Alright. Now after this, it is your world. You want to put some corn into it. Monsoon, it is corn time. So I will be putting, suppose, corn in my pizza. Trisha, what do you want to put? Tell me.
But first one person is asking the recipe of tomato paste.
Okay, tomato paste recipe is made very easily. You blanch the tomatoes just like how we blanch it. To make a puree, pasta puree, you blanch them and you peel the tomato peels and then you blenderize it, mix it with a little ketchup and we are ready to go. Now I have put some golden corn on my pizza base. Here we go. Now if I am making this for myself, I am not very fond of cheese. So I will be putting something that looks like cheese and that is cabbage, raw shredded cabbage. There we go. Let me top it with my favorite capsicum. Here we go. There we have the capsicum. And last but not the least, the desi in me would like a little bit of coriander. Now all you have to do is, yes Trisha, what happened?
Someone is also asking if you can add paneer.
Grated paneer is an excellent option. Grated cheese is an excellent option for kids also. But this is a fantastic way to add all the veggies. Now, if you compare this pizza with a regular pizza available outside, 2 slices of a regular pizza will give you anything between 180 to 320 calories, depending on the cheese you use, depending on anything and everything that you get added in. Here, what I have done is, this whole pizza is less than 100 calories. It is tasty, it is yummy, and I like my pizza thin crust and a little crisp. So what I'm going to do is, after this show, I'm going to put it on the tawa, or I'm going to bake it, and I am going to enjoy it. Trisha, will you enjoy this with me? Will you eat this with me? Dancer.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. So now, I think now that we are done with pizzas, let us now look at something that is a favorite among all of us Indians, or I could say Hindustanis. Okay, I have made such a small, little, tiny, and that tiny a chilla. Okay, I love tikha sev puri, you know, and since I have to lose weight and I have to be in shape, I am going to teach you all one sev puri, by the way, has anything between 80 to 110 calories. This one, however, is having less than 20 calories. I have made this nice and crisp. What I'm going to do now is, can you please show them the pudina chutney? The recipe of mint chutney is on our website. It is any green chutney that is available in the market, and in the market or at home also. In fact, it's very easy to be made. I am now putting some chutney on. Since I like mine very, very tikha, I am not putting meetha chutney, but after putting tikha chutney, you can also put some meetha chutney. Then I am going to put 1 slice of cucumber, 1 slice of tomato, a little bit of dhania, which is my favorite, and all of you, well, this is something that is hatke and this is out of the box. I like adding a little bit of pheta hua dahi. You know, hung curd, all of you. So all you have to do is, ghar mein jo dahi jamta hai, hang it and then just beat it up. You can add some salt, you can add jeera powder, you can add a little bit of sugar to give it that tang, which I have done. So on this, I am just going to top it with a little bit of dahi. And here we go with a sev puri that is, I think, this will need a toothpick. What do you say, Trish? How do you like this recipe?
It's nice.
It's nice, right? So here goes the entire recipe of what I call it as my sev puri. Very filling, very, very yum. Now, if this was to take shape of a burger, what you would need is, let me just put this away. Yeah. What you would need is, you would need burger size of chillas, right? Here we go. You want to add some chutney to this. Let's go ahead and add chutney. You want to add some kakdi to this. Let's add some kakdi. You want to add some tomatoes to this. Yes. If there is a kid who's not looking at losing weight, why not add an aloo patty? Why not add a lettuce? For me, I have a capsicum ring which I love. So there goes. And I have some corn love, which is monsoon corn love. There goes. And all I have to do is one layer we put it with tomato puree. There goes. A regular burger would give you bread, maida, lot of carbs, lot of fat. Well, this burger, I think again needs a toothpick. This burger will give you less than 80% of the calories. This is less than 100 calories as a snack. So, well, this is our weekend getaway, isn't it? Now, there were some recipes that I have prepared in advance and I had kept for all of you. This is, can they see it, Trisha? Yeah. Is it visible now? Right. Now, this is something that is very easy. I call it as a capsicum cupcake. Okay. What you have to do is, on a pan, put capsicum. In it, put whatever amount of atta you want for the chilla. I made mine very thin because I added lots of corn, lots of cabbage, I added paprika to this, and this is how it looks. It is yummy. It looks like a very nice mini pizza. Here is something that is for my little one, a very smiley chilla. Right? It has two eyes. It has eyebrows. Yeah, this is facial hair. He's old. And this is his lovely little nose. Right? For everyone who thinks in my family that I'm a cow, this is, yes, a very right example. My love for spinach is something that everyone knows. And I made mine with spinach. I'm going to have this with both these chutneys, the tomato paste as well as the green chutney, and have mine filled at it. So as you see, the recipes today were many-fold. We have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 recipes out of a very simple ingredient. So who says weight loss is difficult? Now comes the time where I have to tell you what are the exact replacements that you can also do. For a child to make this healthy, instead of corn, you could also add a little bit of sprouts. You could add paneer pieces. You could add some chicken shreds, and that is how this would become an excellent non-veg pizza too. When it comes to making a roundel using capsicum, you could also do the same with tomato. You could also do the same with onion rings. And you could also add shredded chicken. You could add beans. You could add lettuce. For anyone who likes their sev puri with a tad of sev, nothing more than this is a delicious bet. Finally, the fan pizza. Okay, this is something that is very rich in iron. You could also add pesto sauce to this, and you could make this along with baby corn. You could make this along with mushrooms. You could make this along with capsicum, which is red and yellow, and make it a fantastic deal. So tell me, we saved bread on the burgers, we saved the puri of the sev puri, we did something in terms of a cupcake or a pancake, we also had pizza, and that is how a Saturday evening is spent. If you have any more questions or you want me to make any other recipes which you think, in fact boiled eggs also could be cut in and used here. So after giving you so many recipes, I'm sure all of you want to run in the kitchen and make your own bit. So I won't trouble you today on Saturday evening, but surely tomorrow we have a session with a lovely audience of Jakarta, and I will surely put it live and stream it for all of you on Instagram and Facebook. Until then, it's a bye from Khyati and Team Balance Nutrition.